Time for today's Bart Chart. Look what Yellen did to the dollar. This is a simple four-day chart starting on Monday, the start of the week, for the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index, a gauge of the dollar against 10 leading global currencies. Now, the day that matters was, of course, yesterday, Wednesday, March the 18th. The point I've circled, the green circle, is just before 6 p.m. London time, 2 p.m. Washington time, when the Fed made its statement. Right then, the Dollar Spot Index was at 1213. What followed? Look at that. I've even done a nice red annotation for you. Was a big drop, a 6.5-hour drop that ended at 12:40 a.m. London time, 8:40 p.m. Washington time, resulting in losses of 2%. Those losses, of course, straddle Wednesday and Thursday morning. For just Wednesday, the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index fell by 1.75%. Biggest fall since March the 18th, 2009. Now, since reaching its low at 12:40 a.m. London time today, the dollar has rebounded about half of those losses. That's interesting. Remember, this is an index that a week ago, last Friday, reached its record high, having risen for 9 consecutive months. It's also a record going back to 2005. This is a very rare day. This is a once-in-a-6-year day for the Fed after it acknowledged the negative consequences of this year's gains, saying the currency is weighing on exports and inflation as policies pare back their outlook for interest rates. What does it mean for the dollar going forward? What it means for the dollar is interim weakness, according to Jennifer Vail, head of fixed income research at US Bank Wealth Management, which manages $126 billion in assets. She says the dollar will climb again, and that's a view shared by Sebastian Galli, senior currency strategist at SocGen. He says the dollar will resume its uptrend versus G10 currencies in the next few weeks, driven by the pressure of negative interest rates elsewhere. The weekly drop, going back to Monday, is now just 1.4%, which is still its worst week since October 2011. There you have it. Wednesday, March the 18th, 2015. Look what Yellen did to the dollar.